Bone broth. What is it? Bone broth is a liquid including brewed bones and connective tissues. To make bone broth, people use cow, chicken, and even fish bones. Consuming bone broth may be useful for the joints and digestion system, among other things. The bones and tissues of many types of animal might make excellent bone broth. This might make bone broth an useful dietary supplement for many individuals. Simmering the bones in water with some vinegar helps launch nutrients from the marrow within the bones, along with break down other tissues into the water. The result is a delicious, nutritious broth. Bones themselves are rich in vitamins and nutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Tissues and bones likewise contain collagen. Cooking collagen turns it to gelatin, which provides the body with amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. It is not possible to say how much of any nutrient will be in a specific batch of bone broth, given that this largely depends on the type and quantity of the bones and tissues that went into it. Including other components, such as veggies, to the broth may likewise include additional nutrients. Bone broth is a source of gelatin, which may break down into collagen in the body. This is especially crucial in the joints. Cartilage in the joints tends to wear down or diminish through continual usage. A 2017 review that appears in the journal suggests that both lab and animal research studies reveal that gelatin supplementation increases the amount of collagen in the tissues. This might help secure the joints from unnecessary tension. Consuming bone broth might be an excellent method to add gelatin to the diet, which may help protect these joints. A 2016 research study taken a look at the results of type 2 collagen in people who had osteoarthritis signs in their knees. The collagen originated from the connective tissue of chickens. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and watch more videos. Check the link in description for our recommendations.